Hi there, lovelies. So, my sister came down from South Wales and my niece from Somerset, and we decided to do a sort of family trip down memory lane. So, I'll take you with me. So, this beautiful little chapel was built by Billy Bray in 1836. Billy Bray was a miner, a Cornish miner, who turned preacher, and he built several chapels. This is the only remaining one, and he built them with his own hands. And this one is called Three Eyes Chapel because it's got three windows. Oh, look at that little bench. Isn't that sweet? Absolutely beautiful. Creaky, creaky, creaky steps. They're lovely. There we are. I'm hoping to get some spirits on here. I'm hoping that some beautiful people from long ago let their presence be known here in Billy Bray's chapel at Baldew in Cornwall. I'd really love it if we did have some spirit activity. I'd love it if I was standing in the pulpit and the preacher from long ago came to keep me company and to preach a beautiful, beautiful sermon. And there he is, the man himself, Billy Bray. So look at that lovely little organ, pipe organ. It's minute. It's so sweet. I was absolutely gobsmacked that the chapel was unlocked and open for people to go and see this lovely little thing. And it's a memorial to Billy Bray, apparently. It's open for service just on a few occasions every year. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And look at the workmanship in the pews. Look at that. You couldn't make it up. It's so beautiful. So now we're in the old part of the graveyard where my parents are buried. There is a newer part, of course, on the other side, but this is the really old part, and some of the graves go back to 1700s. And it's a nature or a natural graveyard where they allow the ferns and the grasses and all the wildflowers to bloom. And then I think once a year, maybe in the winter, they might sort of cut it down and tidy it up. But it's absolutely beautiful, beautiful in its simplicity. So lovely. It will be really hard to find a more beautiful, peaceful, quiet countryside spot to rest in peace. It is absolutely gorgeous. So we went into the local town and found this lovely brass band. I think they're the junior players.
So you live in Helston?
Which is the best profile?
No, look straight on.
Like
You live in
Helston.
just act natural. This is Ralph, and he plays the music for the Morris
Some of
dancers.
the music.
So, and there's his music box.
And runs a very popular music session at the Blue Anchor in Helston on Thursday nights.
So this is the lane that goes down to our childhood home. Isn't it magical? And I believe the original cottage is 400 years old. We've had a fantastic day and we're going to head home now and call in at our local beach, and a good time was had by all. If you enjoyed the video, I would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe to the channel. Meanwhile, lots of love from the land of mist and legend.